Hi, I'm excited to demonstrate Weller's ergonomic, cordless BL60 soldering iron, powered by a long-life lithium-ion battery, making it the soldering iron you'll choose when you're on the move. The Weller BL60 is the highest performance battery-powered soldering iron on the market. It can stay on for up to 45 minutes, or produce 1,100 soldering joints on one charge. And it takes less than 3 hours to become fully charged. The integrated LED helps zero in on the smallest of solder joints. You can start continuously soldering in 35 seconds. The 12-watt rechargeable lithium-ion battery is powerful enough to handle light to medium-duty soldering jobs. Out on the road, demoing at a hobby show, doing some odd jobs around the home. When you know you'll be out somewhere where there may not be an electrical outlet handy, this is the iron for you. Whoops, careful there. Wait till the tips cool, then you can easily change them out. Weller's new BL60 cordless soldering iron with a lithium-ion battery, built for comfort and convenience to solder on the go.
Since Carl Weller's first patent in 1946, the Weller brand has been synonymous with hand soldering. The increasing popularity of electronic hobbies such as remote control vehicles, personal computer modifications, thing they do. Soldering requires focus and patience to get it right, and with the 3 LEDs, soft grip handle, and tip control features, your iron will only enhance your experience. Weller consumer soldering irons are affordably priced from $15 to $30, and with a family of 15 to 80 watts, you're sure to find an iron to match your application's sustainable heat requirements.
The multi-purpose pen-style soldering kit from PowerProbe. It has an electronic igniter and heats up quickly, reaching optimum soldering temperature in seconds. When using it as a torch, the flame easily adjusts from a 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches and can reach temperatures up to 2,500 degrees. When using it as a soldering iron, the temperature can be adjusted up to 950 degrees. This kit comes with 6 accessory tips for a wide variety of applications. The standard soldering tip used for most soldering jobs, the chisel tip, the wedge tip, the hot knife, the hot blower, and the shrink tube deflector. To use the soldering kit for the first time, simply fill it with butane, turn it on, and press the ignition to light the flame. When you're finished using the tool, the floating safety cap keeps the hot tip safe and away from your skin. To clean your hot tip, just wipe it across the moist cleaning sponge. Quickly change the tips by using the 7mm and 8mm wrenches supplied in the kit. The portable soldering kit can be used for soldering wires, circuit boards, plastic welding, removing insulation without damaging the wire, heat shrink tubing, and much more. This makes the PowerProbe Portable Soldering Kit the ultimate soldering tool.